In the world of modern warfare, defense systems are truly essential for countries to protect themselves from various threats. Imagine a system that can shoot down missiles in the air before they even hit their target, or another system that can intercept hypersonic missiles that are even faster than the speed of sound. How about a naval destroyer that can fight anti-air, anti-surface, and anti-submarine warfare all at the same time? Our world is truly full of unique defense technologies that can keep countries safe from various threats. So now we will show you 15 of the most powerful defense systems, from intercepting incoming missiles to stopping airborne attacks. These systems are the unsung heroes guarding our skies and ensuring national security. But before we start, if you're new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe so you'll always be updated with videos like this. Number 15, SIRAM, United States of America, pues sí. The SIRAM system of America is like a highly specialized bodyguard for United States military bases. Imagine it as a super fast and extremely accurate machine gun. When an enemy launches a rocket or mortar towards the protected area, it quickly detects it and calculates the best ways to shoot down the threat before it can cause any harm. It uses radar to monitor the sky, and when it detects something dangerous heading towards the base, it commands the guns and locks onto the target, using a barrage of bullets. This happens so quickly and efficiently that it can destroy or redirect the incoming threat within just a few seconds, providing a protective bubble for the soldiers. The purpose of SIRAM is not just to shoot things down, it also provides alerts to inform everyone at the base about incoming danger, giving them time to hide or prepare. Its dual role as an active interception and alert system is the reason why SIRAM is important for military defense, especially in volatile regions. Thank you. Number 14, Iron Dome, Israel Trail. Israel's Iron Dome is well known for its effectiveness. It is a pioneer of short-range air defense systems, Israel's answer to a particular problem. Short-range rocket attacks from nearby territories are frequent. Imagine the Iron Dome as a guardian watching over the sky. It has sophisticated radar and interceptor missiles. The radar scans the sky for any incoming rockets. And when there's a threat, the Iron Dome quickly calculates the trajectory to predict where it will land. If the rocket is headed toward a populated area or a critical location, the Iron Dome fires an interceptor missile to meet and destroy the rocket before it reaches its target. The real strength of the Iron Dome lies in its ability to make decisions. It can determine which rockets are likely to hit populated areas and which ones will just land in open fields. And it only intercepts threats that are truly dangerous. Number 13, S-500 Promi, Russia, Asia. The S-500 Promi of Russia represents the cutting edge of air defense technology. This new operational system is capable of destroying intercontinental ballistic missiles and hypersonic targets in the atmosphere. It is an upgrade from the earlier SC-400 and is designed to maintain air security over vast distances. The S-500 can detect and intercept targets up to 600 kilometers away, giving it the capability to defend large regions from aerial threats. One of its standout features is its ability to track and destroy up to 10 ballistic missile warheads, traveling at speeds of up to 7 kilometers per second. The S-500 doesn't just target missiles, it can also engage enemy aircraft, drones, and possibly low-orbit satellites, providing a comprehensive shield that greatly enhances Russia's defensive capabilities. It uses advanced radar technology that contributes to its high precision and reliability, making it a cornerstone of Russia's national defense. Number 12, Type 055 Destroyer, China. China's Type 055 destroyer is a guided missile destroyer and is among the largest and most powerful destroyers in the world. The destroyer reaches 180 meters in length and has a displacement of around 13,000 tons, which is larger than most destroyers in the world. It has 112 vertical launch cells capable of firing various types of missiles, including surface-to-air, anti-ship, and land attack missiles. Because of this, the Type 055 excels in anti-air, anti-surface, and anti-submarine warfare. That's why almost all aspects of naval combat are covered. All of its state-of-the-art radar and sensor suites can track multiple targets simultaneously, a critical feature in today's complex maritime battlefield. In addition, the ship's stealth features reduce its radar cross-section, making it harder for the enemy to detect. The Type 055 also strengthens China's ability to project power beyond its own borders. Was that simultaneous? Number 11. Mess your money. The Messing Germany is a next-generation mobile air and missile defense system designed to replace old systems like the Patriot. It provides a 360-degree defensive shield, so it can intercept threats from any direction. The system includes a radar, launcher, and fire control unit, all of which are track-mounted and can be easily moved according to operational needs. It uses the Patriot Advanced Capability, 3 Missile Segment Enhancement Missile, an advanced missile capable of targeting aircraft, drones, and ballistic missiles. One of the key features of Modular Engagement System is its plug-and-fight capability, which allows individual components to link into broader defense networks. This means that Modular Engagement System can be easily integrated into current and future systems, enhancing interoperability and collective defense strategies. In addition, Modular Engagement System is designed to reduce operational costs. Its advanced radar can track and engage multiple targets simultaneously, maximizing efficiency and effectiveness in active engagements. KMD South Korea. The KMD, or Korean Air and Missile Defense of South Korea, is a system that integrates multiple technologies to intercept missiles launched from North Korea. The KMD includes several components such as long-range surface-to-air missiles, medium-range surface-to-air missiles, and short-range Patriot missiles. Each layer is designed to deal with missiles at different altitudes and distances, creating a multi-tier defense that increases the chances of interceptions. The target's wake is finished. At specific altitudes, missiles are intercepted before re-entering the atmosphere. The MAM, by contrast, targets missiles that penetrate the outer defense, intercepting them mid-flight. And the Patriot missile serves as the last line of defense against threats that are close to the ground. The KMD also includes advanced radar systems like the Green Pine radar detectors, which can track incoming missiles from long distances, provide early warning, and give time for prompt defense. They were designed to work alongside the United States missile defense system, which strengthens South Korea's ability to protect the country. That's it. Number 9. Aegis Ashore, Japan. Japan's Aegis Ashore is a ground-based extension of their Aegis combat system, which has long been used on ships by various navies around the world. Aegis Ashore uses the same powerful radar and missile control system as its maritime version. The SPY-1 radar is known for its ability to track more than 100 targets simultaneously at a distance of over 200 kilometers. It can even detect and track incoming ballistic missiles in the outer atmosphere and guide interceptors to destroy them before they reach their target. It can even engage targets in space and effectively intercept the missile during its mid-course phase. This feature is very important for Japan because they need to neutralize the threat before it enters the denser layer of the atmosphere, where interception becomes more difficult and dangerous. Number 8. Sea Viper, United Kingdom. The Sea Viper air defense system is a cornerstone of the United Kingdom's naval defense capabilities. It is primarily deployed on the Royal Navy's Type 45 destroyer and is designed to protect the naval fleet against various aerial threats, including aircraft, drones, and missiles. At the heart of the system is the sophisticated Samsung radar, which rotates to provide 360-degree coverage. The radar is extremely fast and updates target information every second, which is critical in high-speed aerial engagements. It can track hundreds of targets at once and prioritize the most critical threats simultaneously. Sea Viper uses the Aster missile family, including the Aster 15 and Aster 30, to engage threats at different ranges. The Aster 15 is for short to medium-range threats up to 30 km, while the Aster 30 can intercept targets up to 120 kilometers away. 7. EUROSAM PST, France and Italy. The EUROSAM PST is an advanced air defense system that was jointly developed by France and Italy. It is known as the Mamba system, and its main purpose is to defend against incoming aircraft, drones, and missiles, including tactical ballistic missiles and cruise missiles. It has a powerful radar, the AABL radar, which can track and engage multiple targets at long distances, providing coverage and protection over a wide area. The EUROSAM PST uses the Aster 13 missile, which can intercept targets. It provides medium to high altitude coverage, like a protective umbrella over critical military and civilian areas. The system can neutralize threats before they get close to the protected area. And one of the standout features of the PST is its tactical flexibility. It is easy to deploy and highly mobile, so it can be repositioned when the threat changes. Number 6. S-400 Triumph, Russia. Another entry from Russia, the S-400 Triumph, is one of the most modern air defense systems in the world. It is designed to detect and destroy aircraft, drones, ballistic missiles, and cruise missiles, and can engage up to 36 targets simultaneously using 72 missiles ready for launch. The S-400 uses various radar systems that provide wide coverage and can detect aircraft and ballistic missiles up to 600 kilometers away. It can be deployed with the very long-range 40N6 missile, which can reach up to 400 kilometers, the long-range 48N6, the medium-range 9M96-2, and the short-range 9M96-E. Because of its versatility, the S-400 can face threats at different distances and altitudes, making it a formidable barrier against many types of aerial threats. Number 5. Advanced Air Defense, India. India's advanced air defense is a key component of the country's multi-layered ballistic missile defense strategy. They designed this to intercept incoming missiles at high altitude. The system forms the second layer of defense, working alongside the PRIM-T air defense system, which operates at a higher altitude. The advanced air defense has an advanced radar system that can detect enemy missiles from long distances, allowing for early tracking and interception plans. At the heart of the advanced air defense is the interceptor missile, which can engage missiles at altitudes of 15 to 30 kilometers. These missiles are designed for agility and high-speed capabilities, and have a navigation system that uses inertial navigation, mid-course updates, and terminal homing approaches. This allows the advanced air defense missile to accurately approach and neutralize the target, factoring in the missile's speed and trajectory. Number 4. AG Shashal, United States and Romania. The AG Shashal in Romania is a collaboration between the United States and Romania and is an onshore adaptation of AG's ballistic missile defense system, which is part of the broader NATO missile defense strategy. It is located at the Dabăselu Air Base in Romania and is vital to NATO's defense against potential ballistic missile threats in Europe. AG Shashal uses the powerful SPY-1 radar known for its ability to track more than 100 targets simultaneously at long range. This radar is critical in providing data for accurate guidance. The interceptor heads towards incoming threats, ensuring the airspace remains safe. The system uses the SM-3 Black IB missile, which is designed to intercept short to intermediate range ballistic missiles. The combination of the radar and missile system provides a stable and reliable defense for the area. These missiles are equipped with a kinetic warhead that destroys incoming missiles through direct contact, a method known as hit-to-kill. The SM-3 has exceptional speed and precision, making it a stable and reliable part of the regional defense of the Aegis assault system. TAMO. Number 3. ASTRON Missile, France. The ASTRON missile system of France is a versatile and highly effective family of missiles, designed for both air defense and anti-missile roles. There are two main types of the ASTRON missile, the ASTRON-15 and the ASTRON-30, each tailored for different ranges and threats, providing comprehensive protection. The ASTRON-15 is optimized for short to medium range defense and can intercept targets up to 30 kilometers. The ASTRON-30 has an extended range of up to 120 kilometers. That's why it can easily handle high-altitude threats and provides a larger protective barrier. One of the key features of the ASTRON missile system is the vertical launch system, which provides 360-degree coverage and a very fast response time. It can launch the missile at full speed within just a few seconds from detection, drastically reducing the enemy's chance of reaching the target. The missiles use a combination of inertial guidance and active radar homing, which can adjust the flight plan while in the air to intercept the target with high precision. Number 2, David's Sling, Israel. David's Sling of Israel is a middle-tier missile defense system designed to counter various aerial threats, including airplanes, drones, tactical ballistic missiles, medium to long-range rockets, and cruise missiles. It fills the gap between the Iron Dome, which is for short-range rockets, and the Arrow system, which is for long-range threats. David's Sling uses a two-stage interceptor known as the Stunner missile, which is highly precise and can adapt to various threats. It has advanced radar and electro-optic sensors that can detect and track targets with exceptional accuracy. One of the unique capabilities of David's Sling is its dynamic flight adjustment, allowing it to counter the evasive maneuvers of its target. Its interceptor can reach high speeds, which is crucial for effectively neutralizing fast-moving targets before they reach their intended destination. Like it? Number 1. Patriot Missile System, United States. At the very top of our list is America's Patriot missile system, which is known worldwide. This advanced air and missile defense system can intercept tactical ballistic missiles, cruise missiles, and advanced aircraft. At the heart of the Patriot system is the sophisticated AN/MPQ 53-65 radar, which can simultaneously track multiple airborne targets. The radar identifies friend and foe, enhancing its effectiveness in complex combat scenarios. The control center system, known as the incubator. The control section allows operators to monitor radar data, control missile launches, and coordinate defense strategies efficiently. The Patriot uses the Guided Missile Interceptor, 104 missile in various variants, each tailored for different ranges and threats. The most advanced among these is the Patriot Advanced Capability, 3 missile, which uses hit-to-kill technology to destroy incoming threats through direct impact, instead of traditional explosives, making it accurate and minimizing collateral damage. Another thing that sets the Patriot apart is its mobility. The system can be deployed to different locations around the world by air, sea, and land. And all of its components are on vehicles, which allows for a quick response to new threats.